Hi guys!
Hi everyone!
So today we're going to show you part 2, the extra bits from the show.
So I'm really sorry I couldn't make it to the NEC show last weekend. I managed to fall out of the back door of the house. It sounds really stupid, and it was quite stupid. It's a very poor story. It's probably only about 3 inches. Luckily I didn't fracture anything, but I badly bruised my heel, although was sent down to the minor injuries clinic for an x-ray and stuff, and had some fairly painful physio on it. So I'm up and about again now, but I was hobbling around on crutches for a few days. After a couple of days worth of rest. So I'm really sorry I couldn't make it, but here are some kind of extra clips and bits and pieces, so a kind of part 2 of Will's solo explore of the show. I only got a very small 5-minute snippet when he called me on FaceTime to show me around a couple of bits, but yeah, so
This would have made the original video about an hour long, I think, if we'd included all of this. So yeah. It's not as though these are second best in any way. It's just some more bits.
More.
more. The show is massive. Roll VT. Always good to have a look at bilbos. I know a lot of you have got a really big soft spot for bilbos. One of the original converters again. Always here at the show. Trademark side folding roof. Obviously got solar panel on this one as well. Not afraid of things like the small high roof as well. Not a huge amount of converters doing those, but again, suits certain people. And Westphalia, obviously with the Club Joker that they do, and for how much longer, who knows, because obviously the 6.1 Volkswagen T6.1 is on its way out now, but obviously the high roof Club Joker that they do is one, and obviously this bilbos that they do here is another. Let's just take a quick look inside and show you this one. So this is a Nexa Plus HL. So you've got 2 separate rib travelling seats in here, and obviously you've got the ability to stand up inside. So these fold out, so the base flips over, and then you've obviously got your living area and seating and where you sleep. This has got a built-in toilet at the back as well. I don't think this has a shower built in inside. Obviously have got a external shower point there if you need it, but again, if you're looking for something that you can stand up in, it's a good option on the market. Just looking around at the other few things they've got on the Westphalia stand there. So you've got the Kelsey. We've done a video on that in the past. You're able to see that. Oh, Westphalia deck chair. My rucksack isn't big enough for that, so can't quite fit that in. And we've also got, sitting over there in the background, you can probably see him, that's Thorsten. He works for Westphalia, and he's the sales director, I think it is, for Westphalia. So I'm trying really hard not to go and have a chat with him about where ours is, because he wouldn't appreciate that at the show, I'm sure. So I need to bite my tongue. But Thorsten, if you're watching this, hurry up and build our van. I know it's not your fault, really. So Club Joker, this has got a solar panel on the top, and again, some Swamper wheels and things on it. It's 4Motion one. You've seen this Club Joker City style before. Again, done a video on the Club Joker City in the past, but you can see here, obviously, built-in shower tray in the floor with the pop roof, and also toilet in the back. And then this bed arrangement, which folds forward with the bed on behind it, which is kind of like a butterfly, scissors open. But obviously you can sleep in the roof on the Club Joker as well. So again, just doing things a little bit different to give you a bit of choice. So you may have read about this in magazines. This is an M-Star auto sleeper. It's their brand new Mercedes van conversion. So this is a 7-metre Mercedes. It does come in at £125,000, but you do get quite a few toys for that. So obviously you've got longitudinal sleeping at the back. You've got things like built-in aircon. If I have a quick look in the shower cubicle here, they're really making use of that extra length of van. You've got really sizable shower in here that you can see there. It also has Aldi Has Aldi central heating, so it's got radiators. So if you look down the back there, you see little vents. All of that is for radiators, so wet heating system. Obviously got all of the normal controls here, TV. Separate table at the back. So really set up for cooking a good Sunday roast in here. So you've got oven, grill, 3-burner hob, hot plate there as well, microwave, massive fridge. It's really got everything. Oh, and an extractor too. So I just stumbled across the Gerber stand, which again, another really high quality converter. And I was thinking, let's have a quick look in there, Crafter. And this is a new style layout that they're doing. So basically you get 2 chairs and some VR goggles. That's your experience. No, seriously, they're doing some new layouts on this van. So they've got 3 different Crafter layouts and they're just in the process of just putting them together now, but they've brought a van along, and then what they're doing, which I think is quite clever really, is letting you have a look through a VR headset and then you can have a virtual tour of one of the vans while you're here. So sounds like a good idea to me, but you also get to see inside what the base van and what it looks like. So yeah, really cracking. I'm sure you've seen one of these before when we saw it at the show last time. The Mercedes-based Heimer Venture S. I do think this is the only camper van I know which has a fold-down deck at the back. This one's seriously impressive bit of kit, custom wheel mouldings. Very nice. This one I've just shown you around, £228,000. I remember seeing Opus at one of the Warner shows that we've been to during the year. And these are basically a trailer tent, but quite a funky kind of off-road style trailer tent. And they're based on air beams. So as you can see, this one's got loads of external storage and other bits and pieces in here, but they've got air beams which inflate. Obviously all the inflator and everything's all built in. And then gives you your bedding area. And again, really decent quality. It converts into a nice U shape here. You've got a kitchen area and everything. And in terms of price, okay, this has got a few options on it, but this one here starts from £27,000. So that, to me, if you're looking for something funky, something different, but you don't want to go the whole hog to having a caravan, or you're thinking about a camper van, but you're not sure and you still might like to go off touring once you've set up your pitch and everything else, this could be a good option for you. There you go then. Hopefully those few extra bits have been worthwhile and worth waiting for. This was part 2. Let us know in the comments below if there's anything that you've just seen which takes your fancy, or you've got on order, or you own already. Really interested to hear from you. Obviously a bit of a different selection there in that second part. So let us know in the comments below what you think. And
hopefully for the February show, we might even have our own van, shock horror.
Maybe.
And we might even camp.
We might.
We might.
Who knows?
Yeah.
Let us know if you're camping.
Yeah.
So, hopefully that is useful for you. If you like this kind of content, you know what to do. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon for some more Campervan Time.